Hi, my name is Andrew Lawson. I'm the owner of A Lawson SEO. I'm a digital marketing company here in Buffalo, New York. I work both locally with companies, but also with businesses pretty much across the country. All right. I happened to come across your site and I reached out to you guys today, gave you a call. I talked to Ken. He answered the phone. He was very helpful and was able to give me your email. I just wanted to forward you over a little video here that I put together for you. And this is just kind of going to point out kind of like a little bit of an attack plan. So this information, it's free. I'm not asking you anything for it. I just want to show you some things that hopefully can help your business move forward and just increase your digital footprint and just help you bring in more clients through online presence. If you like what you see, I'd really love for you to give me a call or shoot me an email and hopefully we can set up something and maybe we can even work together, but try to help you out here. If not, again, just hope this helps you. You can take it on your own and run with it. But with that, I'm just going to dive in here. So three things I'm going to talk about with you. I got your website here pulled up, and the first is content. So content just means what the words are, so or rather the total number of words that you got on your site. So Jack's Lawnmower Service, home, featured inventory, your address here, steel, Arians as far as the equipment. These are all content. So Google's algorithm for how they rank things, they like about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And then within those words, certain keywords. So for you guys, it'd be like lawnmower services, lawnmower repair, lawnmower equipment. Those might be some keywords that people are searching for, and Google looks at those in your total number of words, and that's how they kind of help you rank. So what I'm going to scroll down here is, we've got some content here. This looks good, okay. Um, but it kind of dies out. So just looking at your front page, you're a little shy, of what Google likes to see. So even if you had a lot of really good keywords in here, okay, lawnmower service Buffalo, lawnmower services Western New York, it starts getting flooded or drowned out, and it kind of, Google looks at it and it's like, yeah, I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is let's just pull up something else. That's the first thing I want to talk about is just content. So if I just pull up a new Google page here, and I already had it typed in earlier, so let's do lawnmower repair Buffalo, New York, just to see what we get. So within your search here, we've got our maps. I'll come back to that in a second. But if I start scrolling down, okay, we have our top ranks here, Angie, Yellow Pages. Those are individual companies. First one we get to is Wegman Motorworks. All right, so we're going to skip that and keep going. And I kind of reached the bottom of the first page, and I'm not seeing you guys anywhere. So it's kind of really important because just, if you're not on the first page, you might have a better company, you can do a better service, but people don't like to go to the third page, the fourth page. They're kind of one page, two pages max, and then they're more or less making their decisions or moving on. So let's just pull up Wegman here and let's see what they got going for them. So same thing. Okay, we got our products listed here. All this stuff here is content. And one thing I want to mention too is these pictures that you guys have on your websites. Pictures can be saved as content as well, depending on what word you have them saved as, and that will help Google find you as well. So just with all the pictures and some subtext, you guys are pretty close. I think they have a little bit more than you. Well, that's the first thing. The second thing I want to move on to is called citations. So if I just go back here, all right, back to the map. Citations is name, address, phone number, that information over different sites, just like a Facebook page, if you have it on a Yelp page, Yellow Pages. That's what Google looks at, and the more citations you have, just helps you show up on the map here. So Wegmans Motor, they're showing up, okay, probably got a fair number of citations. Let's go see. So just going to take a look here. This is a program, an app that I pay for every month that helps me search these things. So it's called whitespark.ca. I did your search right before shooting this, just because it takes a few minutes to calculate. So for Wegman Motorwork, if I come over here, they got 36 citations referring back to them. And you guys, right here, you're at 32. So they're just beating you with citations. Not by a huge margin. We can go into this later. Not all citations are created equal. But either way, just number-wise, they're outmatching, and that's just helping them get put to the first page. The next thing I want to talk about, since we covered content and we covered citations, is called backlinks. And what backlinks are is, I'm just going to go back here. Backlinks along with content helps you rank here. So this little site I'm going to use, or service I'm going to use, is let's pull up Wegmans Fresh again. All right. And another program I have here, it's called SEO Quick. So if I use this, we're going to watch your page info. Okay. So some of these numbers I explained them. This 930, this is a Google score. So Google looks at the content you have on your page and on backlinks and other stuff with your domain, and they give you a ranking. The higher the number, the better. They have a rank of 930. That's pretty good. As far as backlinks, they have 19 here. What backlinks are just their website referred to on other sites or posting like news articles, things that are online that again shoots information, shoots customers towards their site. So they have 19 for their main domain, 28 for their subdomains or sub back pages. If I pull you guys up here, let's see what SEO Quake is telling us. Same thing, we're gonna go to page info. All right, so your Google score is 128, so significant difference right there. Which, looking at backlinks, you have more backlinks here. So you got 22 here, 398. So you're beating them in backlinks. So we'd have to dive into this and figure out, okay, why do you have more backlinks, but it's not working out? Some backlinks might be expired, so they could be from old sites. Again, getting ahead of ourselves. But again, just want to give you some information here. This is all free. I just want to bring this to your attention to show you some things that you can do to help your business, help get more clients, help just increase your presence so that you're popping up on the first page of Google, you're popping up on the maps there. And there's a lot of different things we can talk to you about. If you're interested, if this seems like something that might be useful, again, please reach out to me. I'll give you a follow-up. If you're not interested, that's fine. But either way, hope this is useful, and you have a great day, and I hope I'll be talking to you soon. Take care.